person.
There's so much great equipment around here.
Here we go. And so when there's a crash we can't get to down here,
but somebody
we'll hit the button.
What do you use all that new car smell though? That's what you
4, 3, 2, 1.
Polystyrene.
I had a rental car in LA last week. It was so nasty.
Live and die in LA. Yeah,
the smell was so bad. It was just like, no, it was like whatever they put in the car. They kept spraying it in there, and it was like this hardcore lime nightmare. It was so bad. What do you mean Treco?
That's not a track call.
Just tell me.
Oh, sorry. He can
Here,
reach
scoot
that, right?
that way a little bit, and then I can hit this whole area. There you go.
It's this bend here, perhaps a straightaway, but here.
Now I get this whole area now. It's just as long as I know it's.
Every time I go to the mall, I sit in the new Teslas.
And everyone's off. Ready, set.
Looks bigger than my TV screen at home.
As long as someone tells me.
Green car.
There I am. Go, Charlie.
Nice.
Tim, over here.
Thanks.
Yeah, work that.
That's a lot of work. Holy cow.
Yeah, it's too light blue and dark. And less light.
How did I make it?
Yeah, less light. That sounds better.
Whoa! You're running headlights.
Not cool. Purple.
That makes the black car easier to see.
Yeah, that's why I
That's
do it
way better.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah. Makes more sense.
Charlie said
he's got himself.
that was so close to me to happen.
I got my fingers pressed back there. Man, I get these bursts of power. Whoa,
By the way, goes all that, right?
I can't get to that one.
I can't see it.
Car's off.
I don't even know. Oh, I'm right there.
How am I making it through on that?
Okay.
That one might still be out, Steve. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's just, what's going on with that thing?
Running high.
It's crazy.
It's running high in the front.
Acid is on
right
the track. And the
It's the
front is.
opposite of a traction.
Does it need bigger tires? Or?
It needs something. That's kind of trippy. I don't know how well
It's just the way the thing is.
McPherson.
Ready, set.
Really? You're right here.
Yeah, I was there.
Crash.
Oh, what happened? That was weird.
I'm doing 25 laps in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
There. That's where I have
Go.
power.
Down there?
Towards Carter.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Can't get that one.
Oh, and they stay on.
And what?
No, I was talking to Tim.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the lights stay on. Oh, that's what you're saying.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Ready, set.
Yeah. How is it living with a dad that's so smart?
Pretty nice.
Go!
Albert Einstein, I want to defy the speed of light. Shall we? Why can't we go faster than the speed?
And that's when you need to go to fast. Good thing
I
right
did do
outside,
it.
so it's
Traffic
hard.
again in Baja, Tim.
Yeah,
We keep a clock on the track, how I'm thinking about going faster than speed light.
Oh, that's what I was going to look up. I need to look up what you were talking about as far as some kind of
They stay in. Yeah, they showed a glimpse of it in the commission. There were just like 5 small, like, charcoal trucks.
So it might be like 7S or something like that. Ranger. Which is basically the same, but it's probably some kind of trophy.
This takes a long 5 minutes.
Whoa!
Thus far it's looking 4.5 though. It's a good workout though, I'll tell you.
Especially for a market.
Yeah, man,
That's all I'm talking about.
Somebody off.
I'm off in the middle there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Go ahead, Andrew.
Just lost your lead.
And,
You were up by a couple. 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 1. So 2, 6, 3,
No, 4 on 3.
3, 5.
Wait,
I
I'm
thought you
fine.
said 4 or 5, 1.
Oh, I don't know what I said.
I want Kiss Cardinals in there.
What kind of lap time is there, Carter? Anything exciting?
10-6 from Evan. 11-0 from Steve. 2-6-3, 4-5-1.
2,
6 and 3. I'm in third. 3's and 3. Third.
Yeah.
I drove into a parking lot the other day
Four.
and I had 9 7s on my speedometer. Couldn't believe it.
Yours is 5, Bill?
Yeah.
Wait, then what am I?
You're 1. You're 1.
The
bottom and
Wait,
Yeah,
I'm in
well,
first?
No, you got 5th or 6th.
Everything was lined up on 7.
6?
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Because the bottom
It takes
There happened
practice.
to be a
Practice,
donut
practice,
store in
practice.
Can we
Nevada
keep track on?
Yes, we
the
can.
license plate on the van has
Yep.
like
I'm gonna
6
turn the valve energized.
digits for 7 too. It's really funny.
You want to take over this one?
6 and a 7.
Yeah, I'd love to get on.
This card?
And
Let me do a lap.
and so
That's take the biggest butt.
so Evan and Steve is your
I'm winning 2
consolation
races.
gift for winning. We'll take your spots.
Whoa!
Oh, I see the problem.
Is it over there?
Yeah, it's not all the
Oh,
way.
yeah.
I've always admired this car right
Car
here.
up.
May I drive this?
Hey, Tom, can you drive it for me? Thanks.
Which way is it? This
Coming towards me. There you go. Or there.
And the friends still selling that Ford? I mean, sell it.
No, Todd still has it. He just went on a road trip. I think he went to Crested Butte or something this weekend. And
Colorado?
Todd Franklin.
Crested Butte, Colorado?
Crested Butte, Colorado. Yes.
Man. I just
Sorry,
got a Christmas card from there.
Trying to do Marshall.
Just the blue one?
Yeah, that's mine.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you. Do not make.
Sorry, Dad. Nope.
Okay, 3 times the charge.
Let's see if I can get a whole lap in. There.
Someone's got a jackpot.
No.
Ow. Ow. Ah! I've broken bones so far.
I haven't even gotten a single lap in.
Oh, Dad just. It's losing the edge.
greens are.
Ooh. You got one.
Is that green going?
Black?
Yeah.
He's got
You
my
going,
gold.
Andrew?
Where do you want it?
Put
Put it on the number 6 right there. Right, so it's
Yeah, I didn't even crash
Yeah, let me
that.
go over here.
That's not, I mean,
Oh yeah, it's
The
screws coming out.
pumpkins off the track there,
I got no
There's
power.
something wrong here.
Yeah, screws coming out of the
That
new car.
car jumped off of something.
that one's got a high front end. I think it's a jumper.
I can get it, Carter.
okay.
It's a jumper.
And the screw came out on the track, or we just,
Just
That car just bumped over something.
I can't actually move. Can anyone else move? Besides the one car that's moving?
I can move.
Oh wait, I'm on somebody else's. Red, right? Don't I just push the brake button over here?
wow.
Oh no, you hold the enter button.
This engine is motor is so hot.
Okay, well.
Oh, yeah,
Hold
something
it, and then when it starts going fast, now you press the brake button.
interesting.
Like a straight cars, huh?
Well, something, when it's so low, it's because something, it's like, I don't know what it is, something's wrong. So I will,
You can raise the BMW in the plane.
is that this one?
Oh! There you go, John.
Okay.
I never ran here before, standing here.
Whoa, that was nice.
So are we, getting ready,